Hello everybody, today we're going to take a look at these Clevertronics lifelight fittings here. Now I already did do a video of comparing these, but I'm going to do another one, except this time I've got a white lifelight Pro to show you. Okay, now I haven't got the E-Life X, I'm just showing you the L-Life and the Lifelight Pro because they're both identical. I just wanted to see the difference between them. Now as you can see they are both running right now because they're disconnected, but I am going to disconnect the battery so that way they can turn off and I can show you them better. Alright, so here we have the fittings here. So this one here is the Lifelight Pro. I'll put my hand on it so you can see it better. Oh, these do put off a bit of heat too. Okay, there's the Lifelight Pro. Get a closer look at that. There it is. And here we have the L-Life, which is identical, just bigger head, and it's only got one LED. This one's got two. Alright, now these are very good lights. These this one here is an LP Premium, and this one here is an L10 Optimum. Okay, this one is available in L10 as well. Alright, they're both lithium powered. Okay, now we'll turn these around and I'll show you the back of them. Okay, so here's the back of the fittings. Alright, so we have, of course, we have our heat sink right here with these metal parts here. Now the ones on the Lifelight Pro do get a bit warm, as well the ones on the L-Life don't, which is quite interesting. We have our lithium battery there. It's a very long battery. Okay, you can see the code on there. And there's the inverter. There's some of the information if this thing focuses on it. If this thing will focus. Okay, but it says LP Lifelight. Here's the L10 one. Now this battery is a bit smaller, okay, as you can see. Okay, this one's smaller. It's about half the size of that one. This one has an earth wire connected to it. No, noticing this one does not. Okay, when I showed you the black one was a bit different. Okay, so we have our power. There we have our inverter. It says L10 Lifelight on it. Okay, so this is what's inside. Of course, and of course this one's held in place with these metal brackets that you can just press and the head will come off. Okay, this one here is screwed in actually. To remove that you need to undo those screws, and those heat sinks are getting really warm, of course. Okay, so that's the back of them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unplug the batteries so that way they can turn off. I'll just grab my iPad stand. I'll place my iPad in the stand so that way we can take a look at them. Take a closer look at the fitting. So I'm going to unplug the batteries. Okay, now the L-Life is unplugged, and of course unplugging them does instantly kill them, I've noticed. Okay, I don't know why it does that, but it just does. Okay, I'll just reconnect that up. There we go. Now the batteries are disconnected, so now both of these are completely flat now, so now we'll take a look at them better. There we go, now we've got a better look at them. So here we have the Lifelight Pro head and here we have the L-Life head. You can see they're both very identical. Difference is just the size. This one here is smaller and this one here is big. Okay, this one's a bigger one, that's a small one. Okay, this one has two bulbs and the bulbs are warm, and this one only has one. Okay, that's one bulb and this one's got two bulbs. Okay, now Etihad Stadium, of course, has the L10 one, but they have these Lifelight Pro ones. Okay, now I have seen the L-Lifes around, of course. I think the MCG is getting the L-Life fitting. Okay, I am planning on actually buying a black one of these and swapping the one in the hallway with a white one like this. Okay, and of course we have our indicator light right there. The indicator light right there. We've got our test switch right there. Test switch right there. We've got our two LEDs. I'll give you a good closer shot at that. So there's the LEDs there if this thing focuses. And then we have that one there. So they are very identical. So they are both the same. Okay, there's a good shot at those. You can see the difference in the size of the heads there. Okay, but they are both the exact same fitting. So there is really no difference between them. Okay, the only difference is that one's a Lifelight Pro and of course one's just a Lifelight. But the backs of the fittings, like I said, are very identical in the back, insides. Okay, they do look identical in the back. As you can see there, there's the back. It is very identical. There is really no difference. Of course, the Lifelight Pro inverter is a different shape to the L-Life inverter, of course. That's one difference. And of course, the battery on the Lifelight Pro is just a little bit bigger because it's got two bulbs and it needs the power. Okay, because this is lithium. Okay, now the economy range uses lithium now, of course. Now these can be configured up to suit Clevertest as well, which is Clevertest Plus, which is a new feature. Okay, that normally would come embedded, but obviously these don't have it. But yeah, so this is the Lifelight Pro. Very good. This one you get a D64 lumen. This one here you get D32. So there's the difference. Okay. So there you go. So I hope you enjoyed seeing my Clevertronics emergency lifelike fittings, and that'll be it.